All right, back side of your sign. It's going to come with this bolt mounted back here. This is the mounting bracket. So 9/16 wrenches. Loose.
The sign will now hinge out, slide up, and be free from the pole side bracket. The pole side bracket accommodates standard mounting hardware. To fasten the system, use either 4 3/8" bolts on 9" centers or 4 1" bands. With the bracket securely fastened to infrastructure, the sign can be held in the hinged out position to allow easy access to the power connector. Practice caution as the edges present in the hinged out position pose a pinch hazard. Remove the 4 screws holding the service panel in place to gain access to the power connector in the sign. The connector is plug-and-play compatible with all Trafficom AC and solar supplies. The power supply will include the necessary conduit and fixtures to route power output to the connector. It is important to install all fixtures tightly to ensure a watertight seal.
All right, here's an example of it connected to a round pole. We used banding here. Trafficom doesn't supply the banding, so you have to get your own banding. But you can see banded in 2 areas. The notch on top. Then get your sign. And there's already a bolt up there. So it's just going to slide right on there. Slides right down in there. And we'll talk about the connections and all that, but you just take your bolt and secure it in place. So again, bolt there to secure, or there. If you want a padlock down there, you have to use that one up there. So you bolt it on. Sorry, this is a short pole, but you get the idea. You can bolt it in 4 locations if you want to use all 4 locations. There's 4 holes in here. And that could go to these perforated square poles. This is the access panel. You can wedge this open. You can see those 2 holes line up to the holes on the access panel.